When the power goes out for hours or days, a portable generator can only do so much. A whole house standby generator kicks on automatically, runs on your existing gas line, and keeps everything running without you lifting a finger. Today I'm covering the 5 best systems you can buy right now. Starting at number 5, the Generac 7 0331 Guardian 11 kilowatts. This is the entry point into true whole home backup, and it's a capable one. It connects directly to your existing natural gas, or LP supply, senses a power outage within seconds, and starts automatically. No switches to flip, nothing to plug in. You get a 200 amp transfer switch that covers your full panel, Wi-Fi connectivity for remote monitoring, and Generac's proven reliability behind it. For a smaller home or household that wants dependable full backup without oversizing, this is where to start. At number 4, the Generac 7172 Guardian 10 kilowatts. A step up in features from the base model, the 7172 adds a 100 amp 16 circuit transfer switch, mobile link Wi-Fi monitoring so you can check status from your phone anywhere in the world, and Generac's True Power technology, which keeps the power output clean and stable enough for sensitive electronics like TVs, computers, and medical equipment. There's also a quiet test mode that runs the weekly self-test at lower RPM, saving fuel and reducing noise. A well-rounded system for average-size homes. Number 3 is the Champion 1008 3714 kilowatt home standby generator. What makes Champion system stand out is its communication technology. The Axis controller uses your home's existing electrical wiring to talk to the automatic transfer switch. No separate communication cable to run during installation. That makes the setup significantly simpler and cuts down on installation cost. You still get a 200 amp whole house transfer switch and 14,000 watts of output. If you want a smart, capable system that's easier to install than most, the Champion is worth a close look. Coming in at number 2, the Generac 7223 Guardian 14 kilowatts. This is the sweet spot for most homes. 14 kilowatts is enough to run central air conditioning, a refrigerator, lights, and most appliances simultaneously, without having to manage what's on and what's off. True Power technology keeps output clean and stable, Mobile Link lets you monitor everything remotely, and the Quiet Test Self-Test mode keeps noise and fuel use down during weekly checks, backed by a 5-year limited warranty. For a medium to large home that wants reliable, no-compromise backup power, the 7223 hits the mark. And the best whole house generator system in 2026, the Generac 7210 Guardian 24 kilowatts. This is the most powerful air-cooled standby generator on this list, and it's built for homes that can't afford to compromise. 24 kilowatts covers large homes completely, multiple AC units, appliances, electronics, everything running at once. The 200 amp SER transfer switch handles whole house coverage. True Power technology keeps harmonic distortion under 5% for clean, appliance-safe power, and Mobile Link Wi-Fi gives you full visibility from anywhere. If you have a large home, a home office, or medical equipment that needs uninterrupted power, the 7210 is the definitive choice.